Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Sidra. I am your teacher and your friend today.
Hello, Sidra. My name is Awesome. I am happy to be here. I want to learn English.
That is wonderful, Awesome. Don't worry at all. We will go very slow. We will use easy words. We will repeat again and again. English is fun, okay?
Okay, that sounds good. I feel relaxed now.
Good. That is very important. Today, we will learn 3 things. First, common objects. Second, food and drinks. Third, activities in the winter season. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Great energy. Let's start. Part 1. Common objects. Asim, look around you. What do you see?
I see a table and a chair.
Very good. These are common objects. Objects are things we see every day. The first word is table. Listen carefully. Table. Now repeat after me. Table.
Table.
Good. One more time. Table.
Table.
Excellent. Now, listeners, your turn. Say table. Good job. The next word is chair. Listen. Chair. Repeat after me. Chair.
Chair.
Haha, nice.
Chair. Chair.
Perfect. Now let us say together. Table, chair.
Table. Chair.
Great. Next common object is book. We all love books, right?
Yes, I like books.
Me too.
That's great. Everybody likes books.
Now, repeat after me. Book.
Book.
Very good. Now say, I have a book.
I have a book.
Wow, that was great. Next word is pen. Repeat after me. Pen.
Pen.
Good. Now, a sentence. I have a pen.
I have a pen.
Excellent. Listeners, now you try. Say book. Pen.
Yes, repeat. Book. Pen.
Another common object is phone. Haha, we all love our phones, right?
Yes, I love my phone.
Same here. Repeat after me. Phone.
Phone.
Good. Now say, this is my phone.
This is my phone.
Good. Let's review quickly. Table, chair, book, pen, phone.
Table, chair, book, pen, phone.
Excellent work. I am proud of you. Part 2. Food and drinks. Now let us talk about food and drinks. Yummy topic.
Haha, yes, I am hungry now.
Haha, me too. Okay, first food word is apple. Listen. Apple. Repeat after me. Apple.
Apple.
Good. Now say, I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
Very nice. Listeners, your turn. Say apple. Repeat again and again. Next food is bread. Repeat after me. Bread.
Bread.
Now say, I eat bread.
I eat bread.
Excellent. Now another food is rice. Repeat after me. Rice.
Rice.
Nice and clear. Say, I eat rice.
I eat rice.
Great job. Now let us talk about drinks. First drink is water. Repeat after me. Water.
Water.
Good. Now say, I drink water.
I drink water.
Perfect. Another drink is milk. Repeat after me. Milk.
Milk.
Good. Now say, I drink milk.
I drink milk.
Haha, very good. One more drink is tea. Repeat after me. Tea.
Tea.
Great. Now say, I drink tea.
I drink tea.
Excellent, Asim. Listeners, now your turn. Say slowly. Apple, bread, rice, water, milk, tea. Repeat. Food and drinks are easy when we practice.
Yes, I like this topic. It is fun.
Haha, learning English should be fun. Now we will talk about winter activities. Winter is cold.
Brr.
Haha, yes, very cold. In winter, we say, it is cold. Repeat after me. It is cold.
It is cold.
Good. In winter, we wear warm clothes. We say, I wear a jacket. Repeat after me. I wear a jacket.
I wear a jacket.
Nice. Another sentence is, I wear a sweater. Repeat after me. I wear a sweater.
I wear a sweater.
Great job. In winter, we like hot drinks. We say, I drink hot tea. Repeat after me. I drink hot tea.
I drink hot tea.
Haha, perfect. In winter, many people like to sit at home. We say, I stay at home. Now repeat.
I stay at home.
Very good. Some people like to sit in the sun. We say, I sit in the sun.
I sit in the sun.
Excellent. Listeners, now you try. Say, it is cold. I wear a jacket. I drink hot tea. Repeat, please. Winter activities are simple and cozy.
Yes, I feel warm already. Haha.
Now, let us do a short review. Today, we learned common objects. We learned table, chair, book, pen, phone. Then we learned food and drinks. We learned apple, bread, rice, water, milk, tea. Then we learned winter activities. We learned it is cold. I wear a jacket. I wear a sweater. I drink hot tea. I stay at home. I sit in the sun. Asim, how do you feel now?
I feel happy and confident. English is not scary now.
Great. Dear listeners, you are doing amazing. Practice every day. Speak slowly, smile, and enjoy learning. Thank you for listening to our podcast. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye.